Borders are more than just lines. They can add so much style to your design. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a CSS gradient border effect that will make your projects pop. But first, let me show you the starter files we will be using. You can grab them from the link I have shared in the description below. So you can see I have two files here, index.html, where I have only a div with the class name of box, and then main.css, where I have styled the body with display flex and justify content center, align item center to center this box on the screen. I have given a minimum height 100 vh and a background, and in the box I have height and width of 400 pixel, also a background color. Our goal is to take this plain box and give it a stunning gradient border using CSS. It's simple, effective, and something you can easily customize for your own designs. Now let me show you how to do it step by step. So let's add a border here. Let's give it 10 pixel. So this is our simple. Now what we want to, instead of this solid color, we want to use a gradient. So how to do that? For that, we can't use a gradient here. We can't use it. So what we will do, we will remove this and we will use a pseudo element instead. For that, let's write the pseudo element and content, which will be empty, height, width, position absolute, also here position relative. Now we will use the linear gradient. For that, we have to use background image, then linear gradient. Okay, so we have this beautiful gradient, but we don't want here, we want it to be the border. So how to do that? Let's do it z-index -1. So it is behind the box now. So if we just scale it up a little bit, like 7%, then the actual border, so it will look like a border. So it is not center, so that's why we can see the border here and here on the right and the bottom. But what we want overall border. For that we have to center it. So let's center it here, display grid and place items center. Now it is on the center, so it looks like a border now. And that's it. You have just learned how to add a gradient border to your designs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.